Hi Vimmers, let's talk about configuration components that are going to help you set up your Vim environment. The two components are the .vim folder and the .vimrc file. The .vim folder is used to store additional Vim configuration files, plugins, color schemes, scripts, and other resources, while the .vimrc file contains Vim script commands to set up and customize the Vim environment. It's executed every time when Vim starts, and these two should be in your home directory. To showcase the purpose of both the Vim folder and the vimrc file, we're going to do two things: is to set up the line numbers and also activate syntax highlighting on with color themes. Okay, so we mentioned two components, the first one being the Vim folder and the second one being our vimrc file. As you can see, our vimrc file is empty at the moment. The first of the two tasks that we're going to do is activate line numbers, so that every time we open a file using Vim, we've got line numbers on. To do that, what we need to do is just say set line number, and we're going to save and quit. Then we are going to open the file again, and now you can see we've got line numbers 1, 2, and 3. Now the second task of the two is to set syntax on. We will do theming as well after that. Now to activate code syntax highlighting on, what I'm going to do is go back to my Vim file, and then what I'm going to do is add a comment here just stating that I want to activate the syntax on. And what we need to do is just have the second command or Vim script command to say syntax on. Now we can save the file and exit. And you'll see that if I open the file again, we now have syntax highlighting on. The last thing we'll do is work on color themes. Now, so far we've been using the vimrc file. To go with the syntax highlighting activation, we'll need color themes as well. This is where the .vim folder comes in. In my .vim folder, I've got a colors folder. Now this is a standard Vim folder. If you go into the colors folder, you'll see I've downloaded a ton of themes. These themes have an extension of Vim, which is part of the Vim scripting files. And these are just a bunch of themes together with colors. So let's open one theme so that you can see what it looks like. And then we can close the file. By the way, you can download these from various sources on the net. I downloaded these themes from Flares on GitHub. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now that we've seen what the Vim folder looks like, we can actually go back and continue with our second task. So what I'm going to do now is go back to the vimrc file. What I'm going to do as an addition to our syntax activation is Vim script now to ask it to use one of the themes that I have in my .vim/colors folder. In this case, I'm going to go for the Molokai theme, and I'm going to save. So we've made the changes to select our theme. Now I'm going to go back to our vimrc file, and voila, we've got syntax highlighting activated with our chosen theme of Molokai. And that's it on a quick tutorial on configuring your Vim environment using the .vim folder and the .vimrc file. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.